We are in Broc and we are visiting Cailler chocolate factory. And it's gonna be a very delicious experience. Maison Cailler is a great place to visit if you want to learn about Swiss chocolate and taste some of it. It is located in western Switzerland, in Fribourg region. More precisely, in the village of Broc, near town Gruyere. At Maison Cailler, you can attend the multimedia chocolate tour. It tells you about the history and manufacturing of a chocolate, and it is a great fun. At the beginning of the tour, you get your own personal audio guide in the shape of a chocolate bar. The guide is available in many languages, including English, Japanese, Spanish, and some others, and it is very easy to operate. First part of the tour takes you to the series of rooms explaining the history of chocolate, chocolate production, and the history of the Cailler brand. Here you will find the answer to the question, how did Switzerland become such a big producer of such a delicious chocolates? Second part of the tour is the area where you can see and learn more about the chocolate making process. Here you can listen to the stories of various people involved in chocolate making process. Here you can see, touch and smell different chocolate ingredients. My 4-year-old really enjoyed this part. Unfortunately, the tour doesn't show you the live factory, but you can still see chocolate sampling machine making Cailler signature brioche bars. You can even taste some right after they are wrapped and popped out of machine. Spoiler alert, they are incredibly delicious. Another cool thing you can witness is chocolate masters making amazing chocolate creations and some cool vintage machines. The final and also my favorite part of the tour is the tasting room, where you can eat as much chocolate as you want. On the day of our visit, they had a very generous offer of chocolate samples available, including some of my favorite by Cailler brand, Ambassador and Femina. Maison Cailler also offers chocolate workshops, but they are very popular. We were too late with the bookings and all the slots were already filled. If you want to do a chocolate workshop, I suggest you to book well in advance. We weren't able to make our own chocolate creation, but we were still able to shop in a wonderful large store filled with Cailler chocolate and all sorts of chocolate-related products. We spent way too much money there. But life with chocolate is sweeter, so I guess our money was well spent. Outside the Maison Cailler, you can find the playground. Unfortunately, it was all covered with snow when we were there, so my boys couldn't test it. But it looked like a great place for kids to burn all that chocolate-filled energy. Outside the Maison Cailler, you can also find a vintage train, which is the place to play the escape game. I've been to Maison Cailler too many times to count, and this was definitely not my last visit. It is amazing, especially if you love chocolate like me.